If you're tired of taking a sip of your coffee only to discover it's already gone cold, you're definitely not alone. Whether you're working at your desk, reading, or constantly getting interrupted, reheating your drink over and over gets old fast. So, is this Pusee coffee mug warmer with adjustable temperature settings actually worth buying, or is it just another desk gadget that sounds better than it performs? Today, we're taking a closer look at the Pusee coffee mug warmer, electric large candle warmer plate with 4-hour auto shut-off and 3 temperature settings. It's designed for coffee lovers, remote workers, students, and anyone who enjoys sipping hot drinks at their own pace. Instead of constantly running back to the microwave, this warmer aims to keep your beverage at the temperature you prefer for hours. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. At first glance, the warmer has a clean, modern design that fits naturally on almost any desk or countertop. The large 5.5-inch heating surface stands out because it accommodates more than just standard coffee mugs. It also works with larger cups and even candle jars, making it a surprisingly versatile addition to your workspace. The microcrystalline glass surface feels premium, wipes clean easily, and is resistant to heat and spills. Underneath, the non-slip rubber feet help keep everything stable, even if your desk gets a little crowded. One feature that immediately feels practical is the LED display combined with simple touch controls. You don't have to dig through confusing menus. A quick tap lets you choose between 3 temperature settings: 130 degrees Fahrenheit, 150 degrees Fahrenheit, and 176 degrees Fahrenheit, depending on whether you simply want to keep your drink warm or heat it a little more. That flexibility makes a noticeable difference compared to basic mug warmers that only operate at a single temperature. In day-to-day use, the warmer performs exactly where most people need it. If you enjoy slowly sipping coffee while working through emails or attending long video meetings, it keeps your drink pleasantly warm without constant trips to the kitchen. The 36-watt heating element provides more power than many entry-level mug warmers, so it reaches and maintains temperature more effectively. Just remember that it's designed to maintain warmth rather than quickly heat a completely cold beverage back to piping hot. Another practical touch is the adjustable auto shut-off timer. By default, it turns off after 4 hours, but you can customize the timer anywhere from 2 to 12 hours. That's especially useful if you're someone who often forgets to switch appliances off before leaving your desk. It adds convenience while also improving safety, particularly in home offices or shared workspaces. Cleaning and maintenance are refreshingly simple. Since the heating plate has a smooth glass surface, a damp cloth is usually all it takes to remove coffee rings or spills. There are no complicated parts to disassemble, and because there isn't an exposed heating coil, the overall design feels cleaner and easier to live with over time. Of course, no product is perfect. The biggest limitation is that performance depends on the mug you're using. Flat-bottom ceramic or metal mugs generally transfer heat much better than thick insulated travel mugs. If your cup has an uneven base, you may not get the same heating efficiency. It's also important to understand that this isn't intended to boil water or rapidly reheat completely cold drinks. It works best when you place a freshly made hot beverage on it. Compared to many similarly priced mug warmers, this model offers several useful upgrades. The higher wattage, larger heating area, customizable shut-off timer, LED display, and dual use as both a mug warmer and candle warmer help it stand out. While some premium competitors include automatic cup detection, those models often cost noticeably more. For most users, this warmer strikes a nice balance between features, ease of use, and overall value. So, who is this product really for? If you spend hours at a computer, enjoy long conversations over coffee, study late into the night, or simply hate drinking lukewarm beverages, this warmer makes everyday life a little more enjoyable. On the other hand, if you usually finish your coffee in 5 minutes or prefer insulated travel mugs that already keep drinks hot for hours, you may not see as much benefit. Overall, this Pusee coffee mug warmer delivers on its main promise. It keeps your drinks warm, adds thoughtful safety features, and doubles as a candle warmer, making it more versatile than many alternatives. If that sounds like something you'd use every day, Check out the link in the description for the latest price and availability. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more honest product reviews and practical buying guides.